Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video I am talking about American battery technology stock. In this video we talk about stock pros and cons and technical analysis and latest news about it. Stock is trading at $0.71 with 1.32% negative in a day. We can easily see stock was volatile for a day. The volume of stock was recently not high, so the fundamental stock is not better for today. Before buying, selling any stock, please consult your financial advisor. Today's video is done. Thanks for watching. Please consult your financial advisor. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like the video and also comment all related queries.